To prepare mutton kidney fry, take a pan, heat on stove. Next add oil. Then add cumin fennel seeds. Then add onion and stir it. 5 until they get golden brown color. Then add ginger garlic paste and mix it thoroughly. Sort it well and add some salt as required. Mix it properly. At this point of time, add tomato, coriander leaves. Fry this and mix it. At this point of time, add mutton kidneys. Mix these well. Fry this properly. Add some turmeric powder. Mix it. Add garam masala powder. Add red chili powder. Add coriander powder. About 2 teaspoons. Add coconut powder. Mix it well. Then add pepper powder, clove powder and cinnamon powder. In the last, add water as per your requirement and mix it properly. Fry all these ingredients and boil it for 5 minutes.